Hello friends, this is Keval Shah here from Affleo Consultants. Many a times you must have seen that under the name of the company it is written as a government recognized star export house, and you must have wondered as to what exactly it is and how can your company get this recognition as well. So in this video we will explain you what exactly is Star Export House certification, its eligibility criteria, the practical benefits you get upon registration and how to apply for it. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Star Export House certification is a certification given by the government to exporters who have achieved a specific export performance. Status holders or star export houses are business leaders who have excelled in international trade and have successfully contributed to the country's foreign trade. All exporters of goods as well as services having an import-export code can get the Star Export House recognition. This certification increases the credibility of the Indian exporters in the global market and creates a sense of trust in their company. There are 5 categories in which the Star Export House certification can be given, and they are 1-star export house, 2-star export house, 3, 4 and 5-star export houses. For 1-star export house, the export performance required is $3 million US, approximately 20 crore in INR. For 2-star export house, it is $25 million, approximately 150 crore in INR. For 3-star export house, it is $100 million. For 4 and 5-star export houses, it is $500 and $2,000 million respectively. So the next question coming to your mind would be as to what is the time frame in which this export performance needs to be achieved. The export performance needs to be achieved in current plus previous 3 financial years. For example, to get a 1-star export house certification, the exporter has to achieve an export performance of $3 million in previous 3 plus current financial year added cumulatively. Remember that $3 million is not required for each year. To give you an example, if you are applying for a Star Export House certification in December 2020, then you can count the export performance of financial year 17-18, 18-19, 19-20 and April to December 2020 as well. The benefit of double weightage is applicable for 1-star export house certification only, and it is not applicable for other status holder categories. There are 4 criteria to enjoy the benefit of double weightage, and they are: business units having MSME SSI certificate, manufacturing units having ISO BIS certification, business units situated in Sikkim, Jammu and Kashmir and other northeastern states, business units located in agri-export zone. An exporter who satisfies any one of the above 4 criteria can enjoy the benefit of double weightage. Let me explain you the concept of double weightage with the help of an example. Say an XYZ company produces export quality spices. Their combined export turnover for previous 3 plus current financial year is $1.5 million. A minimum of $3 million is required for 1-star export house certification. However, they had an MSME and SSI certificate. That is why they were able to enjoy the benefit of double weightage, and now they can count their export turnover as 1.5 into 2, that is $3 million, and hence they were able to get a 1-star export house certification. There are a lot of benefits of getting a Star Export House certification. However, we will discuss a few important benefits over here. The first and the foremost benefit is the recognition that your company gets. You can advertise yourself as a government recognized Star Export House. Authorization and custom clearance for both import and export may be granted on a self-declaration basis. It means that you can handle your custom clearance on your own and there is no need or compulsion to hire a CHA. Exemption from compulsory negotiation of export documents through banks. This is an important benefit and it can save a lot of documentation time. Status holders shall be exempted from submitting bank guarantee under various export promotion schemes such as Advance Authorization, DFIA, EPCG. Therefore, the status holders need to only execute a bond and there is no need to give a bank guarantee. Status holders would be entitled to priority and preferential treatment of their consignments by various government agencies. So all the government agencies involved in the export process, such as the customs, banks, RBI, DGFT, would give a preferential treatment to export house holders. Status holders shall be entitled to export freely exportable items on a free of cost basis subject to certain conditions. 2-star and above export houses shall be permitted to establish export warehouses as per Department of Revenue guidelines. Manufacturer exporter who are status holders shall be able to self-certify their goods as originating from India. Other benefits of Star Export House includes easy access to loans under various government schemes, GR waiver facility from banks, etc. A status holder certificate is valid for a period of 5 years from the date of its issuance. Let us now understand the application procedure to get the Star Export House certification. Application to get a status holder certificate is to be made electronically to the jurisdictional DGFT office with the help of a digital signature. Some of the important documents required are application form ANF 3C, export statement of last 3 plus current financial year duly certified by a chartered accountant, self-certified copy of IEC, self-certified copy of valid RCMC, that is registration cum membership certificate, self-certified copy of company PAN. We at Affleo Consultants are a team of DGFT experts having a rich experience of 10 plus years in the domain. We have till now helped more than 100 plus companies to get their Star Export House certification in a smooth and hassle-free manner. Get in touch with us for any of your requirements and our team would be happy to help you. If this is the first time you are watching my video, then please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. We regularly upload a lot of similar videos related to import and export and other EXIM matters. Comment below, say hi, hit the like button if you are new to our channel. Thank you.